Good evening, sir. My name is Carlo Inime from BSIT3I. Assessment. Number one is, what is Eloquent ORM in Laravel and how does it simplify database interaction? Eloquent, Eloquent ORM is Laravel's built-in object relational mapping system. Instead of writing raw SQL queries, you can interact with your database using models and simple PHP code. Para hindi ka na mag-code ng mahabang SQL statement, gagamit ka ng eloquent models. Number 2, how does Laravel handle HTTP requests and define routes? Laravel handles HTTP requests using the routing system. You define routes in route routes/web.php for web and routes/api.php for API. Each route points to a controller method or a closure that processes the request. Kapag may user na nag-access ng URL, halimbawa, /profile, i-check ni Laravel sa routes file kung anong function or controller ang dapat tumakbo. Number 3, explain the role of Blade templating engine in Laravel. Blade is Laravel's templating engine that allows you to create dynamic views with a clean syntax. It supports template with inheritance, components, and easy integration of PHP in HTML. Instead ng maghalo-halo ang HTML at PHP code, si Blade ang taga-organize. Para mas malinis at madaling basahin. Number 4, what are the security features provided by Laravel? Laravel provides several built-in security features like CSRF protection, cross-site request forgery. Number 2 is XSS protection, cross-site scripting. Number 3, SQL injection prevention using parameter binding. And lastly, password hashing with Cycrypt or Argon 2. Para safe ang app mo, meron automatic na protection si Laravel. Number 5, how does Laravel support task scheduling? Laravel uses the scheduler feature to automate repetitive tasks. You define your task in app/console/kernel.php using the schedule parentheses method and run them via cron job. Kung may mga kailangang kang gawin regularly like mag-send ng email araw-araw or mag-delete ng old records, hindi mo kailangan gawin manual sa Laravel. Pwede mong i-schedule gamit ng schedule parentheses method.